Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to land a job in Europe from a non-EU country, creating a Europass CV. Whether you're a recent graduate, a seasoned professional, or somewhere in between, having a well-crafted CV can make all the difference in securing that dream job abroad. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a Europass CV? Well, it's a standardized format developed by the European Union to help individuals showcase their skills, qualifications, and experiences in a clear and concise manner. And the best part, it's recognized and accepted by employers across Europe. This utility allows you to effortlessly incorporate your educational background, training, professional history, and skills to produce an impressive CV. Notably, this can be done in a variety of languages, making your profile more appealing to diverse employers. Now, shall I explore the process of creating a standout Europass CV? Before I move further, please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Creating a compelling Europass CV is a straightforward process, and I am here to guide you. Start with your personal information. It's basic but essential. Next, move on to your education and training details. Don't shy away from providing all relevant details, no matter how minor they may seem. Now for the meat of the CV, your work experience. Here, it's crucial to highlight your roles, responsibilities, and achievements. Use strong, clear language to describe your work history. Remember to arrange your experiences chronologically, starting with the most recent. After outlining your work experience, it's time to showcase your skills, whether it's proficiency in a programming language or your expert negotiation skills. This is the place to shine. And don't forget about languages. If you're multilingual, let your future employer know. But creating the CV is just half the battle. Tailoring the content to the job you're applying for can make the difference between getting the interview or being overlooked. And of course, ensure readability. A CV filled with jargon and complicated sentences won't impress anyone. That's it. You've just created your Europass CV. But remember, keeping it up to date is key. Let's recap what we have learned about creating a Europass CV. Start by personal information. After that, highlighting your relevant skills. Then tailor the content to the specific job you're applying for. Make sure your CV is easy to read, using clear language and strong verbs to convey your experiences. Organize your experiences chronically, keeping your most recent achievements at the forefront. Finally, polish your CV for any errors, ensuring it presents you in the best possible light. With these tips in mind, you're now ready to create a Europass CV that will impress potential employers in Europe. Good luck on your job hunt. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in next video soon.